some. Wait, what? Hello. Today we're going to unbox a wood burning tool from Amazon. Okay. Now we're going to open the bag. Oops. I guess the zipper broke already. Let's see what's inside the bag. Just right. The zipper is broken. Okay, now let's do it. Ooh, interesting. We got some wood. I put the, hey, what? It's outside? We were going to make a cat on this wood right here. And
you drew it, right?
Yeah, and this is my mom's drawing of a cat. Does it look like a cat? And mine is not complete because the nose is a bit bad. And is it more better than Mama's cat? Look how ugly it is.
Alright, that one is just
the wood.
The free wood, yeah.
It's the wood that we can burn the wood on. Next up. Ooh, what's this?
It's a wood burning pan.
Yep. Oh, it looks nice. It's a wood burning pan.
Yes.
And we have another one, but
I think there's two of them.
Are you sure?
Yes.
Oh, yeah, here it is. We have two of them right here. Now let's see what else. Oh, this is heavy. What is this? What is this, guys?
That's a wood burning machine.
Whoa, it's really heavy.
Yes, a wood burning
It's like
machine.
Yeah,
inside it you can see that there is the pyrography pen jack. This is the pyrography pen jack where you're going to put the two wood burning pan. And this indicates the voltage, this one. That would be the regulator of the voltage. And the fine turning, this one.
And
so you can actually make it's hot, if you want to make it hotter or
cold,
yeah. So you have the regulator of the temperature. And also you do have the screen here. You can see here.
It says like 888 something.
Not just 888. Okay. And also, there's a digital display screen.
Ooh, beautiful.
Yes.
Now can we go on?
And the LED one, this is the LED one, indicates when this one lighted, it indicates
right here.
Yeah, it's high temperature and low temp, or low voltage
and high voltage.
Yeah, low voltage indicator, and the other one is high voltage indicator.
Now let's go on to the next one.
This one is on and off. Okay, we find this.
Okay, now
and this is where you're going to put on the power and the the power.
Oh, okay. Next up we have the cable for the pens.
No, that will be the one to put at the back.
For this one?
Yeah, for the power.
Oh, so it will power up this box, Let's go on. We have some,
Oh,
oops. We have some springs here.
yeah, that's
And that's the pen holder.
yes, the pen holder.
We have 2 of them. And they're silver. Now, what's this?
There's a pen holder stand.
We have a pen holder stand
Or
here
pen holder
for 2 of
supports.
them.
Yeah.
And inside, it says, once you get the free wire tips, share creations with us, and we will post them on our social page on the Tech Chick.
All right.
Let's
What
see what
else?
else is in there. We have this. We have this. What's it called?
Those are, what do you call it? The nib or the wire nib.
This is the wire name
Wire nibs or tips.
tips.
Pen
Yes.
tips.
Pen tips, and under the pen tips, there
Be
is
careful with that.
and under the pen tips, it is like a sponge, I think.
Yeah, it's a sponge.
Yeah, I just put it back inside.
There are 23 pen tips.
Oh wow, that's a lot.
Yeah, it's a lot. And every pen tips have
Ouch.
its different functions.
Okay. Let's see. Oh, we have sandpaper here.
Yes.
What's it used for?
For the wood, if you want to make it a little bit rough,
Ooh, okay.
so it will burn easily.
And we have some nuts
Yeah, those nuts are for the holder.
here. This holder. Let's just keep it. Let's just keep it here. And we have 2 more items.
Yeah.
What is this?
I'm not so sure about that, but I think that
Is it for the wood like we do this?
yes, that's sickle.
Ooh, that's a nice sickle right
Yeah,
there.
if there's some debris in the tip, so you can do some. You can use the sickle.
And we have a mini screwdriver.
Yes.
So we can
If you can change this one, if you would like to change the nib,
oh, so like you would take this, remove it,
Right.
and then we're just gonna do it like that, and then we're just gonna do that, right?
yeah.
Okay.
And the best in the most is the bag.
And
nice to
at
have
the
it.
bag, we have like some pockets here. And look, it looks like a lunch bag
Yeah, it's a lunch bag.
for this pyrography set.
Yeah. So these are the new set that we have. We also have the old set that we have.
Which is the first pyrography pen that we had before. And as you can see, it's a bit more bigger than these 2. So now we have 3. Now we have 3 pyrography pens. And here we have the stand for the pen,
Yeah.
like that, for the pen. And we have the pen tips, but there's about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 tips, and this has 23, right?
Yes.
So that's it for our pyrography unboxing video. See you next time. Toodaloo.